today we are going to work through our first unit cover page. So you need to take your science notebook out and open up to the first page of your notebook, which has a red 1 in the bottom right hand corner. On this page, you are going to take your pen, a very thin marker, a Crayola brand, nothing too fancy, and you are going to write your first name and your last name, and you're going to write science and the year. So I'm going to write my first initial, my last name, I'm going to write science, and the school year, 2019 to 2020. Once I've done this piece, it's nice and big, it takes up almost the entire page. I am then going to take some colored pencils or some crayons or some highlighter, and I'm going to color the entire page. The entire page will be colored. So I just need to find something to use right now. And I'm just going to add a little bit of some stripes. Now we color the entire page because it stands out from the rest of our pages in our notebook and can make it a little bit easier to find when we're looking for something specific. It can be colored however you'd like. So I'm just making a nice design. You can make pictures, you can do a rainbow, it can be anything at all that makes you smile. For regular unit covers, it will be something pertaining to the topic of study. So if we're talking about food chains and food webs, it would have to look something similar to that. It might be the continuation of a picture that you've drawn or a picture you've printed out. So I have these peachy pink colored stripes on my cover page, and I'm going to take some markers and I'm going to add some words that pop, that talk about science. So I know I'm going to talk about the water cycle. So it's kind of like a water droplet with water and the water symbol inside of it. I might also do a picture of transpiration or photosynthesis off of plants. So maybe I want to draw a little leaf. And I might want to draw my sun using a yellow highlighter to show photosynthesis. And I need at least 3 separate pictures on my cover pages. So we have our water droplet, we have photosynthesis, and I'm going to talk about force and motion. So I'm going to try to draw a little dog stick figure. I am obviously not an artist. We have our little doggy. And the dog should have been moving really, but our dog is going to be ready to pull this red sleigh. Looks like Rudolph does for Santa Claus. we're going to have our person, like our musher, standing on the back. And I'm going to draw some arrows to show that it's moving with force, or friction, really, which is what I've tried to draw. So I have a full colored background. I really should color in between the lines of my cover page. I have 3 separate pictures, and I have a title page that is nice and neat and big. And that is how I do a complete unit cover page for any unit of study.